To backup data on the Samsung A27 5G, you can do this in the two ways. So start by opening the settings. Right now navigate into the accounts and the backup. Next, you have to select one of the following options. We can actually find three options. So we can backup data to the Samsung Cloud, to the Google Drive, or we can actually transfer data to external device like USB storage, like USB drive, pen drive, or SSD drive. So we can select the method that you want. For me, that will be definitely Google Drive. So I have to click here, and over here I can check backup details. So what will be backup actually into this account that I'm using. Here you can set also all preferences about the quality and the date, the internet that you want to use, for example, the mobile date, or for example, Wi-Fi. You can also undo backup if needed, and you can also manage some other options. Here, if I want to perform this, I have to click to backup now, but also it's going to perform automatically over the time.